I got a joke for you guys. What do you get when you get a dartboard, a bunch of printed out cryptocurrencies and some stocks, and a pair of scissors? An investment portfolio. If you didn't laugh at that, you better watch till the end of this video. Let's go. Yo, so back in 2012, they got this group of monkeys to throw a bunch of these darts onto a wall with a bunch of stocks on it. And whatever it landed on, they decided to buy and create a portfolio. And they decided to see if that was gonna beat any of the stockbrokers that were the hot shots in town. But guess what? It was a little bit interesting, the result. Without digging into what actually happened in that article, I thought I'd just put the theory to my test. What I hopefully want to establish in this video is not that stock investing or crypto investing should be done in a cavalier approach, but I think there is something to be said about investing into assets that are diversified and to actually having exposure in assets that are growing. As we all know that the stocks have been going up like crazy, and so is the cryptocurrencies as well. There's a video that I've done that explains why these things are happening, but at this stage, I just want to prove a point. So today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw 5 darts onto the dartboard with a bunch of stocks and cryptos around it, and we're going to invest $50 into everything that the darts land on. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a video revisiting this video in 3 months time, 6 months time, and hopefully in another year's time as well. So stay tuned for this video. Let's see what happens, and then we'll get to doing some crafting. Let's go. So now that I've cut up all the pieces, I'm gonna put it around the dartboard. Let's go. So there you have it, guys. So we've got this dartboard that's in any particular order. It's just put out there just randomly. No, I don't know how to aim, so it will still be a very, very random selection. All right, Neo's got some good gains recently. Polkadot is one of the more promising coins as well. Stellar, again, interesting. ADA Cardano has been interesting as well. Mana is interesting too, in that it backs itself onto, I think, Ethereum platform as well. XRP had a fantastic gain over here. We've got Engine, which is one of the smaller coins, and that's really interesting how they got. BNB has had some really great gains in recent times as well. Dodge, wow, I too like to live dangerously, am I right? And then you've got, CRO, which has been quite stable. Bitcoin, the biggest one. Ethereum, again, very stable. There are a lot of talks that it's gonna go really crazy. You got Algo, VeChain. VeChain is really exciting too. Some of the gains that we're about to see there. Uniswap, Zilliqa, Neo, ICX, and also Chainlink, which I personally have some stakes into as well. So now we're just gonna whack it up on the wall and we're gonna see the magic happen. Let's get it popping, guys. All right, so now here comes the dangerous part. We're gonna throw some of these sharp objects against the wall. I hope it doesn't ricochet back at me. I am selecting these coins just purely randomly. Let's get it popping and see what happens. And that landed on XRP. Okay, hopefully XRP will hit $2. All right, so there's one there, one. Okay, that's how bad I am. There we go. This second one's no go. Oh, Neo is the second one. And we got Zilliqa. Oh, and we got XRP again. Now, I'm just gonna pull that back out because the whole point of this video is to diversify. All right, here we go. Oh, that's Neo again. See how bad I am? It's definitely sure that this is a random selection. Here we go, come on. Okay, we've got Stellar. And lastly, we've got, where is that here? That's Algorand. Okay, that's Algorand. Okay, sure. All right, so now that we've done that with all the cryptocurrencies, we're gonna be now switching this out with the top 20 S&P 500 stocks. And we're just gonna run that same thing again and see what happens. All right, so, wow, this is like the prettiest thing I've ever created. Yeah, here we go, guys. We got the top 20 stocks, top 20 companies in the S&P 500 index. I'm holding quite a lot of value here, of course. These are the top 20 companies in the world. Yeah, I'll be throwing darts against it and see what kind of companies it lands on. And we'll be investing $50 in each of those companies as well. So let's go. Hamdo Kim back at it again with the white bands. All right. I got my darts again. I am not aiming in any way, shape, or form. Just take a deep breath, all right? I feel like an athlete, oh my gosh. I'm like this finance athlete or something, like, you know? It's killer. All right, here we go. Ooh. Okay, I missed. I'm literally 1.5 meters away and I missed the board. That's how bad I am. Here we go, Home Depot. Stock number 1. Stock pick number 2 is Nvidia. Oh my gosh. Nvidia's been doing really well these days because of, you know, crypto mining. They produce all the graphics cards. Procter & Gamble, okay, fair enough. Third, no, didn't make that one either. Nope, that wasn't good either. Nope, that wasn't good either. I need to still throw.
One eternity later.
2 more darts. Oh, and we've lost Procter & Gamble, so we're not going to invest in Procter & Gamble now. We did get Bank of America. I got to have 5 solid darts on the board. PayPal was good. And lastly, Facebook. Okay, so we got 5 darts. Got Facebook, a Bank of America, Nvidia, PayPal, and Home Depot. So we're going to be investing on those 5 stocks as well. So let's get investing. So time to buy. Here we go. So today, the platforms we're going to use is Binance. There's a link in the description below if you want to start investing in cryptocurrencies. Use Binance. It's like the best tool ever. It's the biggest tool. Yes, if you could use that link down in the description, that would be a fantastic way to support me and what I do on this channel. So please go and use that link, and you're just going to see how simple it is to buy using Binance. So on Binance, what I like to do is I like to put everything on the US dollar value. So these little balances that you see is basically all these balances. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, hey Siri, put me on do not disturb mode.
Okay, I turn do not disturb on.
Stupid YouTubers, you know, goodness me. All right, so on Binance, what I like to do is I like to hold some fiat currency for those coins that can only be bought with certain fiat currencies. And I like to hold a bit of USDT because that is basically holding US dollars, but in a cryptocurrency. And the value of USDT is driven from and is tethered to the actual USD currency itself. So what I've got here on my account is I've got some Australian dollars. I'm in Australia, so I've got a bit of Australian dollars, but I've actually bought a lot of USDT, well, enough to actually do business today. And also I've got some pound sterling just in case the AUD isn't gonna cut into some cryptocurrencies, because depending on the cryptocurrency that you wanna buy, some of them can be converted from other cryptocurrencies, which USDT can easily be converted into other cryptocurrencies. USDT is actually as good as holding US dollars. So 1 USDT coin or token is going to be exactly the same as 1 US dollar as well. So based on these, the funds that I've got, we're gonna be investing $50 into every coin where we have landed today. And we're gonna see how easy it is to do it using Binance. So let's get on with this. So we've got Zilliga that we need to buy. So we're gonna go here, type in Zilliga. Wait, first of all, let me see how much pounds, because I know Zilliga needs pound sterling to be able to do so. 35.90 pound sterling is 49.95 USD, close enough. So I'm just gonna go to Zilliga here, and then I'm gonna press buy. And then the currency I'm going to choose is GBP. I was trying to buy it with AUD before, but it just wouldn't. So 35 and 90 GBP, which is the cash balance I have. I'll press confirm. I said confirm, and I bought 283.2 Zilliga just now, and that's about $50 worth, or 49.90 cents or something dollars worth. So we're gonna go look at my wallet, and we're gonna see that Zilliga is in there for 49.8, which is basically $50 minus a bit of transaction fee as well. The next coin that we're gonna buy is NEO, and I'm gonna see if I can convert into NEO. So yeah, we can convert into NEO, but we're gonna convert from USDT. So in this case, yep, into NEO, press confirm. And we're gonna convert 50 lots of USDT into NEO. It's gonna calculate a sum for us. We're gonna press convert within 4 seconds, and then boom, we just bought NEO. All right, and I'm gonna buy 35 GBP, 99 lots of XLM, 41 seconds to confirm, and there we have it, guys. So we've just bought XLM, Stellar Lumens. Next coin is XRP, and we have XRP here at 49.73, so we've got exposure to that one. Let's have a look at Algoland and see if we can convert into Algoland once again. And so here we are, 50 bucks, and we are converting. And it's done. We've got Zilliga, 49.41. We've got Stellar Lumens, 48.53. We've got Algoland 49.88, XRP 49.69, and we got NEO at 49.63. It'll be really interesting to see how this will go. I think I've picked some pretty interesting coins. I don't know too much about Bitcoin, but I know enough to know that this is not a bad spread. I hope you give it a try yourself and let me know what kind of coins you end up investing in as well. So now let's move on to the stocks, and we're going to be using eToro. So Simon uses eToro, no, Hando uses eToro. So what we're gonna do is we're going to invest in NVIDIA, here we go. Press trade, we're gonna put in $50, order, and we're in. Done with NVIDIA, we're gonna go to Facebooks, we're gonna trade Facebooks, and we're gonna chuck another $50 in there. Too easy, done. And we're filling up our portfolio quick. And the next one that we're gonna invest in is Home Depot, or HD, like my initials, HD. And we're gonna press trade there, and we're gonna chuck 50 big ones in there. All on single leverage, nothing crazy here. I don't like to trade on margin. I used to, but that was because I was crazy. I'm just gonna type in America for Bank of America. Here we go, Bank of America Corp. I'm gonna press trade. And I'm gonna chuck Fear 50 in there, and we're gonna set the order. That will activate when the market opens up. And lastly, that's because I live in Australia and it's not, the times are different. Times are different, guys. And lastly, PayPal, we're gonna chuck $50 in there, and there we have it, guys. And boom, there we have it, guys. $50 on all of these 5 assets. I don't, and what am I doing that for? You guys can see that because it's edited and it's right there. So yeah, there we have it, guys. So that's 5 assets. So today we've invested in Zilliqa, NEO, Stellar, XRP, and Algoland for cryptocurrencies. And for the stocks, we've invested in NVIDIA, Facebook, Home Depot, Bank of America, and PayPal. What I want to prove out of this, let's say in 3 months' time, we do real well in both. Well, hey, there it is. If something out there is, I guess, working, then, risk a little bit of money and have exposure to the marketplace out there. I think the worst thing you can do right now is just literally hold cash. Have a little bit of exposure out onto the market, and don't just put all your money in one basket. Put it in multiple assets, so that I genuinely believe that one or many of these coins are going to be performing quite badly. But I do understand some of these coins will actually do really well. Look, I don't know. Time will tell, I guess, guys. I know these are reasonably good coins. I only picked sort of the more promising and the more talked about coins around the dartboard, so that this would be a good move to take. So that's what I've done. And look, it'd be interesting to see how it turns out in 3 to 6 months time, because I should be able to prove a point that, we need exposure to the markets out there, and we also need to have a diversification in our portfolios as well. Those are the 2 main points that I want to prove even before we see any results come out. I have a conjecture that the 5 stocks that we've picked are going to be a lot more stable in their growth, whereas we're going to experience a bit more volatility on the cryptos that we bought. My sort of reflection on the cryptocurrency market at the moment is that, well, last week we've just had a huge bull run, and over the weekend it's just dipped really hard. So I don't think it's actually not a bad time for me to buy right now. But look, there's really no point in timing the market. If an asset is climbing, have some exposure and get in there. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope I can see you again in 3 months' time with some really interesting results. This is an experiment, and I myself is interested in how this is going to turn out. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share, ring the notification, do everything that you possibly can so that I can make more of these awesome videos for you. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.